Later this afternoon, a man convicted of murdering 2 young boys in 2020 will face a judge for sentencing.
A heartbreaking case here. Last year, a Putnam County jury recommended Mark Wilson Jr. be put to death for beating and stabbing the boys. 14-year-old Tayton Baker and his 12-year-old brother Robert were killed as they slept inside their Melrose home. News4JAX reporter Ashley Harding live for us this morning. Ashley, Wilson's public defender is still asking the judge to override the jury's recommendation for a death sentence.
She is. Vic and Jennifer, good morning to you both. Yes, those court records show that Wilson's attorney actually filed a 22-page document outlining why she says her client should be given a life sentence. We have it pulled up for you right there. Now, in it, she talks about his traumatic childhood. She also talks about his good behavior in court and also while in jail. But she does say that he can be rehabilitated. But the boy's family members, they've said publicly several times they want him to die for this crime.
3 years after Robert and Tayton Baker were murdered as they slept, the man responsible will be sentenced for their deaths. Mark Wilson's attorney is still fighting to keep her client off death row. In this 22-page document, his attorney outlines why she believes a life sentence is the right punishment. She argues the attack was not something planned and therefore did not fully meet the legal standard. She also discussed Wilson's troubled childhood, saying he was sexually assaulted in elementary school, experienced emotional and physical abuse and neglect, and had suffered brain damage. She also said Wilson is not only able to be rehabilitated, but said he expressed remorse for the crimes, going back to a statement he made at his Spencer hearing last month, which said, "Your Honor, I'm sorry for all that I have done. If I could take it back, I would. Sarah, Caitlin, Mom, and all the families, I am sorry." The document goes on to cite Robert and Tayton's family directly, saying a life sentence will allow the Baker family to have closure, an end to appeals, and continued hearings that may last for decades. But the boys' family members have said from the beginning they want Wilson to go to death row.
And Wilson's sentencing hearing is scheduled for 1:30 this afternoon there in Putnam County Court. Reporting live this morning, Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.